preparing the fitting of our kitchen. At first, we level out the wall, the right wall here, in this case, left wall, with the spirit level, water level, and the floor. And the point I start to fit the kitchen, for me mostly, is the highest point in the kitchen, mostly the corner. So now, with my measurement, 1 point of 90 centimeter on the right side, 1 meter 20 from the corner. Second point on the left side, 1 meter 60 from the corner, 90 centimeter high. For what? I want to know, are the walls in 90 degrees or not? So 90 centimeter, 90 centimeter. The tape is to protect the wall. Now from the corner to the right or the left, doesn't matter, 1 meter and 20 by 90 centimeter height. Left side, 1 meter and 60. And from both points, now I want to have 2 meter. And there from the one to the diagonal 2 meter, I'm sure, okay, my wall is in 90 degrees. So this is important by L-shaped kitchens, U-shaped kitchens, for example. Here in this case, we have a small little one-run kitchen, and it's not so important, but I want to show you. So clean up the floor before you start to place the cabinets. With a broom or with a vacuum cleaner or something else. So, first cabinet. Yeah, open the tapes around. The packaging, mostly cardboard. Don't remove and put it in the waste. Here in this case, we put it by side on the floor. The first one. There. No. Second one. With this one we cover the wall. We fit kitchens every time without the face, without fronts, drawers, pull-outs, claps, flip-flap doors and something else. We remove all the doors before we start to place the cabinet to the wall. Okay, the first one, the face to me, and the other one, the face to the back. We put it face on face. Both sides, good sides, fronts, are clean, and we can put it together without a paper or something else between. Remove the drawer or pull out. Yeah. And please put the rails back. We don't want to have accidents. Now go back and have an accident with rails and your feet and your leg. And so now we put the tall unit on the back. There is on the corner below a little bumper to protect the corner. Put the feet and the adapters, and we turn the feet a little bit longer, the 2-3 millimeter. It's easier to adjust later. So when you are alone, you have to put it back alone. 2 fitters, one on the left side, one on the right side. It's much easier. So there are the bumpers, And there's also claws or staple claws. Please remove the staple claws. Please be careful by removing. And don't put it back with your feet, with your shoe. So, first cabinet is placed in the corner.